You're going to love the 2013 GMC Yukon XL 1500. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like power windows, mirrors, and seats, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated steering wheel, and remote keyless entry. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate, no matter how far the drive. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as traction control, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.